Hello everyone, today we're here for a new video, and in this video we're gonna check how to fix the sign-in failure on the PlayStation. The first thing you can do is going to your settings and networks, then view PlayStation network status. If everything is green, you can go back with me and trying to solve another solutions. But if one thing here is red, this is solely the fault of PlayStation networks and you can do nothing about it. I'm sorry about that. So for the one who all have green, you can go back and trying to go to your system settings and to system software update and settings. Make sure that the system software's last update is installed on your PlayStation. After that, you have another solutions who is to delete your principal user and to reconnect to it and see if there is a difference before and after. If the problem is still there, you can try another solutions with the networks and settings. You can try to reconnect to your box. So you just have to go to your advanced settings and you can try some other power settings like the DNS settings, set manuals, and try to tap 1.1.1.1. Oh, that's it. And for the secondary, you just have to put 1.0.0.1, and you can try to set MTU settings on manual and try to set 1500 and set OK. That's gonna reconnect your own PlayStation network connections, and basically the problem is solved. You have make it. GG's.